Mr. Assistant Speaker, I thank you for the leave you grant to raise 3 questions to the Minister for Works and Supply. Mr. Assistant Speaker, before I ask the serious question, I want to make a short statement. Lae City is providing almost 1 billion to the public purse by way of GST collection. In fact, it's probably the second in this country for providing the amount of GST collected by virtue of the law, GST Act. Mr. Minister, we feel offended, and the Morobe people feels offended. One question first. Lae Finschhafen Road under the Connect PNG program. You're doing a good job already, or your department. You provided the money by virtue of that program to construct a road from Nawai High School all the way to Finschhafen. And the road is right in the center there. And the contractors who were engaged to construct the new road, they have done a salient job. Unfortunately, Minister, those contractors have withdrawn. They have withdrawn because the government failed to provide the money which they have promised to get the road to Finschhafen. When are you going to provide this money so that contractors can go back and continue to construct the road to Finschhafen? That's the first question. The second question, also under that program, the state provided the money through your department to continue the concrete road from Second 7 to Bumayon, then to the junction of Nawai High School and Situm, and then to come back to Bumayon and continue the construction to 10 City Police Station. Now the continuation of the construction has got as far as Bumayon. It hasn't continued on to the junction. When are you going to provide, and the contractor who engaged to do the job also withdrew. People are looking at the road and blaming me for nothing. I'm not at fault. Mr. Minister, when are you going to provide the money so there will be continuation of sealing of the road, concrete road, to the roads that I have mentioned? Number 3 question, Mr. Minister, through the PNG, Connect PNG program, we have begun our continuation of road from Puyu to Kaintiba to Kerema. I understand that they passed Puyu and Kaintiba on its way to Kerema. Now, Prime Minister has made a statement before this Parliament that that road will be connected before we celebrate the country's 50th anniversary. It seems like it's not going to occur. Can you tell this Parliament and the people of Menyanya and the people of Kerema and the people of Papua New Guinea that that is going to be a historical road, and that is the road which will connect Papua and New Guinea? Can you tell this Parliament? Mr. for Works and Highways.
Thank you, Governor Plo Morobe. Long all good all pertinent all questions long all road concerning Morobe province. As a governor, you got to the right to ask him. All the roads blow you long, province blow you. Through the Connect PNC program, big pla all work na big pla funding go Morobe province. Number 1, ask him blow you law. Lae Finschhafen Road. People been got program lo display road. Na display road one bla first missing link. I got two missing link lo Papua New Guinea bla started tawo bil telephone na Finschhafen lay. Finschhafen lay. So long all contractors lo withdraw. Now working no start na move yet. And by me kiss him update lo display work lo Finschhafen. Through long all office lo me works lo morobe. Na by me give him update one time. Minister lo mining na member lo Finschhafen too. Long number 2 ask him the you long 27 corner lo Bumayong. Big pla work come up lo display road. Na you looking finish Deputy Prime Minister na member lo lay he go pass. Na me use him works na highways law supervise him display road. So it is progressing slowly. So by me kiss him all update lo display too na by me talk sawen lo you. Also Deputy Prime Minister na member lo lay na Minister of Lands na migration to me push law plenty blood is law roads within lo lay city. Me making planning work lo help. Also me pla work si start lo Bugandi na companies long this pla 4-lane lo Nazab Road. I'm cross to by me pla finish. Now Prime Minister lo 50 years anniversary and by announcing this pla road. So me pla through lo Marabe also government through lo works people making big pla work lo Morobe. Number last question ble you lo this la road lo Miniamia kam lo Kaintipa na kam lo Bema Kamogada lo Kerema 2 weeks ago finish Sunday mixing chopper fly go lo Aseki Junction na biani mis road Kamogada lo Bema na Kamogada Mela kapil lo Morobe na Gulf na also display house na Papua New Guinea to transnational highway. Big pla coffee, big pla man meri sleep lo Bema kamosem long Kerema. He got shortcut lo Kaintipa come down lo Maralawa. But me pla put him road to go back and osem lo where all man start. Road must go to where the people are. So that there is economic activity, provide people can access to government services and markets. That's asking him about this government. So me plan on Abru Simon na katip shortcut na gamlo Mosby. We still have to go through to give the road access to the people. That's why we are punching the road and cross to. We got close to 70 kilometers in virgin forest, no road. And we cut him close to 5 kilometers, but we come up halfway. We got road, no man sleep longer. So we have put in 2 contractors on the road, section by section. So suppose me open him up, the Prime Minister he go or Prime Minister no go. At least we have opened that corridor, transnational corridor, and then by way of extending, na straight in good gravel, or something. After 50 years starts in September 16. And from there onwards is 50 years start. So Prime Minister can go even after September, August, or October or November, he still can drive when the road is in good condition. People are something, people open him up, this corridor of Momase Highlands to Southern. And also this road companies law, Port Moresby and Alatao, Port Moresby has been opened up already. So at least we have started somewhere and we are now opening up the corridor. So I like appeal law road Kamoselo Morobe and road companies. But we must give him access law online law Gulf too. Law opening up Kerema. So we are working, our team are working right now as we are speaking, they are still on the ground working as well too. So before September 16, aba me open him up this corridor. So me like talk thank you long. Governor Blo Morobe long all good questions. Sabla longan pa Mirisim. All updates na by updating you. Thank you, Deputy Assistant Speaker.